Greetings. Welcome to another edition of Down Home Cooking with Willie Davis. I almost want to say uptown cooking because we're cooking bananas Foster. And you know, you're not going to get a restaurant, a fine dining restaurant. It's going to have to be fine dining because nobody else is going to set your food on fire. Now, to do this, over here we got bananas, and you want ripe bananas, so these are just a little past ripe. You could almost use them, but I'm going to use these next stage bananas. We got banana liqueur, 2 tablespoons, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon to dash over top. The rum is Bacardi Gold. I got a quarter cup, that's to set it on fire. And then we got good ice cream. 1/3 cup of brown sugar packed. Here's a little clue for you. If your brown sugar is hard, you can put it in the microwave for a minute or so and it softens it up where you can use it. Now we're going to start with heating up this butter on medium heat, and you don't want to overcook your bananas. So we're going to get that going. I'm going to start it on high. I'm going to get going here. And while I'm doing that, we're going to slice these bananas in the bias style. So bias means like a sharper knife. Bias would mean at an angle. It's just for presentation. So here we go. Let's get these out of the way. So at an angle, makes them longer. Probably should peel this first, but I got measuring up somewhere. Here's one to put these bananas in. Put it around the table. Let me look. So that butter ought to be melting pretty good. We need 2 cups of these bananas. Yeah, I should peel those first, makes it a little easier. So, yeah, Chef Willie. That don't sound right, does it? This stuff is going to be good. And I really shouldn't be eating all these desserts, but I've never made this before. And I have the recipe, so... And then I looked around, we had the banana liqueur, believe it or not, and the rum. So I thought, what the heck, we could make it. And we're doing it. And you don't want to cook these mushy. Nobody likes a mushy banana, they say. So you're going to 2 minutes, just enough to heat them through. And I didn't slice that one either. All right, done it right. Alright, so just a side note, I found a piece of music that's really fantastic. It's Debussy's Arabesque No. 1. Oh, I saw a blind girl playing it named Lucy and on the YouTube, and she was fantastic. She had a totally different, a little faster rendition of it, but y'all check it out. Debussy's Arabesque. I'm going to learn to play that. My son's getting married. I think it'd be perfect for the wedding. It's just beautiful piece, and Debussy's all that. Jazz musicians love him. All right, let's see. Bananas coming right along, so I guess I can put my sugar in there. Let's go ahead and slice this one more. And I better cut it down to medium. Let me get out of there. Oh, there he goes. Alright. Peel off this time. Yeah, these 2 here are a little bit more. Well, they're not green, but they'll be fine. They're fine. I always think of ripe, I think of a little bit brown, but these got little brown spots. Okay. Banana Foster, I can't wait to taste it. Okay, the rum and banana liqueur, it's bound to be delicious. Got one more. I cut the bad side of that one banana off earlier, the bad end, so it's more like a half a banana. I had to look up what bias cut is. I mean, you get carrots like that, and baguettes for bruschetta bread, or it's bias cut. Gives it more surface area, and like I said, it's a better presentation. Alright. We're about to go in the skillet. Now, I'm going to go ahead and heat. I better get my matches ready. Oh, let's see if I can find any. They're over there. I'll get a lighter. Oh. If I was in a restaurant, the match would probably be better. Matter of fact, because my fingers would be more safe. I'm going to get a match. I got some long ones in here. Somewhere right here. Yeah. Fancy matches. I'd like to thank my cameraman who just came in by chance, and he's doing a wonderful job. Ooh, I have to do this over. All right. The sugar's got to melt, so it's about to get there, and it's looking good, babies. Look at that. Come look at it. Get close up here. Everybody stick the bananas in now. See, it's melted brown sugar in the butter. And that was a whole stick of butter, because it's half a cup you're using. All right. Put them in there. Like I said, 2 minutes. I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon over it. Let's see. Let me read the directions out loud. In the skillet, melt the butter and stir in the sugar until melted. Add bananas. Cook gently. Stir over medium heat for 2 minutes until heated through. Sprinkle the cinnamon. Stir in the cream de cocoa of the butter, the banana liqueur, and then in a small saucepan, we're going to go with the rum. Oh, lots of water. Get the water out of the way. Who wants water? We got rum. Okay, let's split these. That rum is on high, so it's going to heat up pretty quickly. It's just a 1/4 cup. More than that in the drink in New Orleans. Yeah, these are looking good. Every delicious step. It's about 2 minutes. I'm turning them over now. You want to get them coated, and the same with the banana liqueur. You put it in, you coat these bananas with it. Get them all coated good. Alright, yeah, look at that. Oh, baby. Here's my serving dish. I knew I needed a big one. Where'd those matches go? Right here they are. Okay, I'm ready. Let's get the cinnamon. Here's just a 1/4 teaspoon. Yeah, it's getting hot. Just sprinkle that over. Just a 1/4 teaspoon. That's good. Alright, now. Uh-oh. What else smell? I smell that burning eye over there. It's alright. Here goes the, not too mushy, so that's about right now. Just going to put this over top and coat them. And this is served over the ice cream. So I'm turning it so it gets coated. I'm going to turn it down a bit. And now we're ready. Yes, we are, for the warmed rum to go over top. Just get good flavor on this. That's about it. Let's go ahead and serve the ice cream in. Come on, Eddie. Eddie's ice cream. Ugh. I've been having to shut out a long time already. Oh, wait, open it. That's pretty good. My big spoon. Oh, here it is. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, that's good. That's good, baby. Yeah, it's soft. Oh. 2 cups. Our real chef doesn't measure things. Come out there. Goodness, I got the whole thing. That's about this be enough. That's gonna melt quickly, so I'm gonna eat it quickly. Alright, here goes the big. Get the fire extinguisher ready. Like I said, it's my first time. This is my first rodeo. There it goes. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Come on, baby. See it flaming up. Yeah, looking good. This, I think, you let that burn off, generally. And what a dish! This should serve 4 people. Yeah, it's gonna melt so quickly. That's what I about not like to do right now with this dish. I didn't really concentrate. So let's give it a try. How about that? There's my thing. All right. I bet it's delicious. And I would be right. I think with practice I would burn that rum off a little better. But that's it. Welcome and thanks for coming and seeing me cook and talk about it. This is for the cameraman. I'm going to give him a little bite. And that's about it. We'll see you again. Down Home Cooking with Willie Davis. Uptown.